Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to download Asphalt 9 application on your Android device. So let's dive into the video without wasting much of our time. Open your Play Store to get started. Now go to the search box at the top and type in Asphalt 9. Once you come across this application from Gameloft on your search results, tap on the install button to begin downloading the app on your Android phone. Wait until the application gets downloaded and installed, which might take you several minutes, and then you can easily play Asphalt 9 Legends on your Android phone as well. So that is how you can easily download Asphalt 9 on Android. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again with the next video. Thank you for watching.